Good morning. This is Jordy from Blue Heron School, based out of the Squam Lakes Natural Science Center. And today I'm going to show you a really fun activity that you can do outside. It's really fun after rainy days, but any day is good. I've brought my activity inside, but it's really better for outside. It's a car wash. So I have all my cars here, and they got really dirty. So they need to get cleaned up. So I have brought out a bucket of soapy water, and I brought a scrub brush, and we're gonna put the car right in the water and scrub it up. Make sure you get the bottom, scrub the whole thing. Ooh, that looks better, doesn't it? Oh, there's a little bit right there, gotta get it. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Oh, once your car is nice and clean, you can move it over to the grass or a towel that I have sitting over here. Looks like our tractor needs to be cleaned. Better put it in. Oh man, around those wheels is really dirty. This tractor's been working hard. Been moving lots of dirt around. There we go, nice and clean. But guess what? This tractor wants to go back to play in the dirt. Oh no, it's dirty again. Look at how dirty it got. It's so muddy. Oh God, better clean it. Better clean it off. No more work for you, tractor. We're cleaning you up. Silly tractor. All right, you better sit over here on the grass to dry off. And oh, my big hauler truck. That's really muddy. I hope the water can take care of that. Scrub up the sides. Oh my gosh, what a dirty truck. Well, that looks a little better. All right, come on over here to dry. And here's my race car. It went so fast, it tumbled and crashed in the mud and got mud everywhere. Better cleaned up. There we go. Oh, tractor wants to go play in the mud again. Well, look, his friends, the cars, want to come back too. So as you can see, car wash can occupy hours of entertainment for kids outside. And it's not that messy. So I hope you enjoy doing this at home with your little ones.